What's up guys, Odds Mods here, and I'm back with another challenge, challenge 2 of better than yesterday. So, let's see what the challenge is. It is the sweet sound of all. The sweetest sound of all, sorry. Listen to nature sounds for 20 minutes. Nature sounds decrease stress and create a sense of calm. That sounds really cool. I like that a lot. Okay. Easy. That's our 20 minutes. All right, well, you guys have a great one. This is Odds Mods, Daily Challenge 2 completed. Highly recommend. It was really relaxing. Really relaxing. All right, have a good one. We'll see you in the next video.